Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is the iPhone 11 after 6 months. Let's see how it has evolved with regular software updates and how does it compare to the S20 and OnePlus lineups with their hole punch displays and more than 90% of screen to body ratio. So the iPhone 11 design feels quite dated. The design according to me is pretty functional. I've been using the iPhone 11 for a while now, approximately 6 months, and I can safely say that budget device or not, this is a solid smartphone. The notch design of the phone could be a little different for people, if I might say, but it grows on you. I have gotten used to it. I'm sure if you spend some time with the phone, you will get used to it too. The major difference between the iPhone 11 and the Pro models is the screen. The screen is a sub 1080p LCD screen with a 326 pixel per inch density compared to the amazing 1440p screen on the Pro versions. To the normal person, the screen is not a problem as the colors are pretty vibrant and the viewing angles are really good. This is the best LCD on a smartphone. The clarity of the screen is something which you need to look for. My opinion is that it is strictly okay. Also, if you are coming from an OLED flagship phone, do not go for the iPhone 11. Choose the iPhone 11 Pro models so that you don't feel the difference. The screen will be a problem while watching videos, say on YouTube and on other apps. Coming to the performance, nothing can be better than checking the performance over a game. Let's open up PUBG. I have been gaming on this phone practically every day, especially in these stay-at-home times. The performance is best in class, which is all because of the A13 Bionic and of course the 3GB RAM of the phone. The phone has no issues with high graphics and high frame rates. I have played this game on HDR for hours together and I have never had an issue. The phone doesn't even stutter. Though the phone does heat up a little bit when you plug it in and play, but that's pretty normal. Frankly, I am blown away with the performance of the phone. It matches to the Pro models without a doubt. There is one flip side though. The apps in the RAM are a very big problem. They do not stay open for a very long time. So if that is something which you're looking for, you might want to reconsider. Also, this is a iOS 13 problem. It wasn't there on iOS 12 or the previous versions, and Apple has still not been able to fix this. Overall, the phone's performance is to the T. It matches the iPhone 11 Pro models. With regular software updates, it will definitely keep getting better. Now let's look at the camera setup. It's a dual setup with a normal or wide and an ultra wide lens. It misses out on a zoom lens. So basically, it does zoom with the main lens up to 5x. It does not have another lens like the other flagships around which go to a 100x zoom. Frankly, that's not a big deal to me as I do not use the zoom lens too much. So it has all the features of the 11 Pro models, but the iPhone 11 does it in a dual setup. So basically, you are not missing out on any features as such. These are some photos which I had taken from the cameras. The ultra wide, the wide and the zoom. The video quality takes after the iPhone 11 Pro models. It's the best you can get. The battery life is like a rock. It gets me through the day without a question. It gives me an average screen time of about 6 hours, which is pretty comfortable. It will get you through the day as well. In the box, the charger is a 5-watt output charger, which is really sad. But the phone supports an 18-watt fast charging, which gives you 50% battery in 30 minutes. The charger is sold separately by Apple. You can even find third-party chargers on Amazon. I definitely recommend anyone who owns an iPhone 8 and above to get this fast charger. Overall, the iPhone 11 is a complete package. I definitely would recommend this device to people. The screen is a little hit or a miss, that depends on personal preference. That's all from me. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.